Hi there, Vanda of rawandwell. Today I'm going to show you what I got at Walmart for $100. Organic nectarines. Honeycrisp apples. Plums. Everything's organic. Don't panic, everything's organic. 3 bags of organic lemons. Two bunches of bananas. That's all the fruit. Now, let's go to the veggies. A bag of organic onions. Cherry tomatoes. Cucumbers. Everything's organic, don't panic. Radishes. Garlic. Broccoli. Asparagus. 1 red, 1 yellow pepper. Again, everything is organic. Some cute little mixed peppers. Love these for salads. Romaine lettuce. Some shredded carrots. A big tub of mixed greens. And yellow and green zucchini. Amazing! All of this organic for $100. Much love to you guys. Bye for now.